Very good evening, students. Welcome to the next class. As you know, that I have already explained chapter 1 of English 2nd, The Top and the Bowl by Hans Christian Andersen. Today, we shall discuss about the word meaning and question and answer of the top and the bowl. So, as we know, the top and the bowl is a love story between a top and a ball. So let's have a look at the question answer and word meaning. First, we will discuss the word meaning. Number 1, handsome. Handsome, the meaning is good looking. Handsome, students, handsome is generally used for male. So handsome means good looking. Number 2, proud. Proud, Proud, the meaning is to feel you are better than others. Proud, to feel you are better than others. So, I think sometime you feel proud of yourself, is not it? You think that you are better in study than other. So, that's the meaning of the proud. Number 3, magnificent. Magnificent, very attractive. Magnificent, 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 very attractive. Number 4, engaged. As I have discussed earlier, I have explained earlier that the top asked the ball, shall we be engaged? So now let's know the meaning of the engage. Agreed to get married. Engaged, agreed to get married. Number 4, impressed. Impressed. So students, I think some of you used to study very hard to impress your parents, is not it? So let's know the meaning of impressed. Feeling admiration for someone because you think they are good. Feeling admiration for someone because you think they are good. Number 6, garbage. Garbage. So garbage means waste material. Don't throw garbage here and there. Okay? So let's know the meaning. Waste paper or other things you throw away. Garbage, waste paper or other things you throw away. Throw everything in dustbin. Okay? Number 7, whoop. 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 A loud cry of joy or excitement. So when you used to get some gifts from your parents, you used to whoop, is not it? So the meaning is a loud cry of joy or excitement. Now let's proceed towards the question answer of the chapter, the top and the ball. Number 1, what colors did the boy paint the top with? The answer is the boy painted the top with red and yellow colors. Question number 1, the answer is the boy painted the top with red and yellow colors. Question number 2, why did the boy not agree to what the top suggested? The boy, as I have explained earlier, the boy was very proud of herself, is not it? She thinks that she is a special ball and made up of special cork. So let's look at the answer. The ball did not agree with what the top suggested because she was too proud of the fact that she was made from a special cork. Let's repeat the answer again. The ball did not agree with the top, what the top suggested because she was too proud of the fact that she was made from a special cork. Question number 3. What happened when the boy threw the ball very high? What happened when the boy threw the ball very high? So, I've explained that when the boy threw the ball very high, it went high into the air and never come down again. So let's look at the answer. When the boy threw the ball very high, she went into the air but did not come down. She had simply disappeared. Let's repeat the answer again. When the boy threw the ball very high, she went into the air but did not come down. She had simply disappeared. Question number 4. Where did the ball go? So, where did the ball go? When the boy threw the ball very high? I think all of you know the answer. Guess. What's the answer? I think you know it. But let's have a look. Where did the ball go? The ball had fallen into dustbin. Where did the ball go? Question number 4. The ball had fallen into dustbin. Now let's proceed towards question number 5. What happened when the top and the ball met in the garbage bin? So, I think after lockdown, when the school reopens, when you will see your friends, you will be very happy, is not it? So let's look at the answer. When the top and the ball met in the garbage bin, they recognized each other and were happy to meet once again. Let's repeat the answer. When the top and the ball met in the garbage bin, they recognized each other and were happy to meet once again. Now, the last question, that's question number 6. Where did the top and the ball live? Where did the top and the ball live? So, the answer is after meeting again, the top and the ball lived together in the toy box. Let's repeat the answer again. After meeting again, the ball and the top lived together in the toy box. So students, I think all of you have understood the word meaning and the question and answer of the chapter The Top and the Ball of English 2nd. Thank you.